Ready to turn your awesome idea into a money-making online store? Let's do it, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to walk you through setting up your very own Shopify store, step by step. First things first, head over to Shopify and sign up for a free trial. Click that big, inviting button, enter your email address, create a password, and give your store a name. Don't worry too much about the name right now, you can always change it later. Alright, welcome to your Shopify dashboard. Now, let's make your store look good. Click on Customize Theme. Shopify offers a bunch of free themes, so browse around and pick one that fits your brand and the products you're selling. You can preview them before committing. Time to add products. Click on Products, then Add Product. Fill in all the juicy details: the product title, a captivating description, the price, and, most importantly, high-quality images. Great product photos are key to selling online. Next, let's get you paid. Go to Settings and then Payments. Shopify supports a ton of payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, and more. Choose the ones you want to offer your customers and follow the setup instructions. Shipping can be tricky, but we'll make it easy in Settings. Click on Shipping and Delivery. You can set up different shipping zones, rates, and even offer free shipping. Consider offering a flat rate to simplify things. Now, let's create some essential pages. Go to Online Store, then Pages. Add an About Us page to tell your brand story, a Contact Us page so customers can reach you, and a privacy policy page to be transparent about data. Finally, let's optimize your store for search engines. Go to Online Store, then Preferences. Fill in your store's meta description and keywords to help people find you on Google. And that's it. You've officially set up your Shopify store. Now, go out there, market your products, and start selling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.